In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a 13-day outdoor test on our Lasfit all-weather floor liners and how to clean them. If you haven't joined our elite club yet, you can scan our QR code to become a member. Here, by scanning it on your camera app, and enter some basic information about your vehicle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get more videos just like this one. Let's get to it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be the first to be notified of when our video drops. And also, check out our website and social media. From Lasfit, goodbye.